Hello mga ka-Facebook! Alright! Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ay isiniwalat ng actress socialite na si Heart Evangelista ang nangyari sa Perfect Egg na dapat ay magiging anak nila ni Sen Cheese Escudero. Sa ikalawang yugto ng kanilang guesting sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, inamin niya na magkakaroon sila ng anak na babae ng senador. Para sa mga hindi aware, inamin noon ni Hart na sa isang panayam noong September 2022 na sumailalim siya sa in vitro fertilization procedure dahil sa kagustuhan nilang magkaroon sila ng sariling anak ng asawa. At matapos nga ng halos 2 taon ay inilahad niya kung ano na ang nangyari sa kanya, sa kanyang perfect egg. Lahad ni Hart, "We were expecting a baby actually. I wasn't pregnant but I was expecting my only girl that I have left eggs. So at that time, I thought it was gonna make it, that she didn't. That was a bit hard for me because my God, hirap. So I was really preparing for her. So I really thought that I was gonna have a baby at that time. And I thought with everything that we went through, it's finally gonna happen, but it didn't. But it's okay. I mean, I'm not the type to question. It's just that because I thought I was gonna be able to share what I do with my last girl. It's a little hard, but I'm not questioning anything," say ni Hart. Para naman kay Cheese, ang nangyari ay ayon sa plano ng Diyos. If it's not now, if it's not this, pinaliwanag naman ni Hart kung bakit siya naiyak. Actually, I cry not because I wasn't given what I want. And I'm a spoiled child. I cry because it took so hard for me to produce the egg. And so it was hard for me to accept the fact that I gave her name. I actually named her Sophia Hart. I was very excited to have her, but I'm blessed in so many other ways. How can I complain? I'm just sad because of course I was excited but I'm not complaining. I'm not the type to complain, say ni Hart. Nalaman raw niya ang balita bago naganap ang kanilang ikalawang kasal. "We found out right before our wedding. It's actually very sad. Ganoon talaga. You cannot have it all. It will come," saad pa ni Hart. Thank you for watching. Follow for more videos. Salamat!